If you want to restore backup from Google Drive on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, we can do this during the initial configuration. So if you turn on your phone for the first time, you will see some of the screens where you can set up with some help. So if you see this screen over here, set up with another device, in this case we can just press the setup manually, and then we have the connection to Wi-Fi. So connect to the Wi-Fi, and after that press next. Then you should see the service provider setup, so we need to restart. And then you should be able to see copy apps and data screen, and this is where we need to press next and then choose can't use other device. After that you should be able to sign in to your Google account. We should see the Google login screen. There we go. So we need to sign in to our Google account. And then of course press that you agree to terms of service of Google. And then you should be able to see all backups that you have created from previous devices or from this device. Of course, in my case, I don't have any backups, so I cannot choose it. But in your case, if there are any backups saved on the Google account that you logged into, you should be able to select your backup over here and use it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.